So today this beautiful queen came in and said, "You know what, Q? I'm ready to chop it all off. I want to go for the big chop service." So that's exactly what we did. She was ready to free herself from the shackles of hair. So we opted for the Betty Boo look, so stay tuned for the finished look. We started out by doing a cut. I like to cut all the hair off first before I put the relaxer, or at least do 90% of the cut so that the relaxer can take better. For me, it just works better this way, and the hair lays so much better. And we all know the key to a good short haircut is the foundation. So I went ahead and cut her up. After this, I based her scalp, and then I applied the relaxer. Gave her a good shampoo, neutralize, stabilize, and a good reconstructor conditioner. And then from there, we move on to the next step of molding her down. Since we are doing a Betty Boo look, we want to start off with the wave. You can wave either the whole head or just the sides. I opted to wave the whole head this time. So here I am continuing to wave her on up. And after this step, she's going to go under the dryer. And after the dryer, then I'm going to, well, let me rewind back. Before I started waving, which you didn't see off camera, was I went through there and cleaned up anything else that needed to be cleaned up on the cut. Y'all ready? Booyah! Beautiful, just what she wanted. The client was happy, and that's the most important part of any service, making sure the client is happy. She been Qiana, y'all. All right, see you on the next one.